In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Markdown in Notion. If you already have notes or documentation written in Markdown and want them inside Notion with clean formatting, this quick process will get you there. We'll walk through importing a MD file so Notion converts it into a nicely formatted page, keeping your structure intact and ready to edit. Start in Notion and look at your sidebar. Find the page or section where you want your Markdown content to live. Hover your mouse over that page name. You are telling Notion, place the imported content right here, so it shows up exactly where you expect in your workspace. If you prefer a central import path, you can also open Settings and Members and select Import from there. Both routes lead to the same importer. The sidebar method is great when you've already decided on a destination, while the Settings route is helpful if you just want to bring content in first and organize it afterward. When the importer opens, you'll see several source options. Choose Text and Markdown. This option is specifically designed for plain text and .emd files, and it gives Notion the best information to translate Markdown syntax, like headings, lists, bold and italics, into Notion blocks. Next, upload your .emd file from your computer. You can browse to the file or drag and drop it into the upload area. As soon as it finishes, Notion will convert the file into a fully formatted page. Headings become proper Notion headings, bullet and numbered lists remain lists. Block quotes are preserved and code fences turn into code blocks. Tables and checklists often come through well too. The goal is to keep the look and structure you wrote in Markdown while making it editable in Notion's block-based editor. After the import completes, give the page a quick scan. Skim your headings to make sure the hierarchy matches what you expect. Scroll through lists to confirm nesting, and peek at any code blocks to verify language formatting. If an element doesn't look quite right, you can adjust it directly in Notion with a couple of clicks. Rename the page title, tweak a heading level, or convert a paragraph to a different block type. Because Notion stores everything as blocks, it's easy to reorganize your content with drag and drop. That's it. With just a hover or a quick trip to Settings, selecting Text and Markdown, and uploading your MD file, you've brought your Markdown into Notion with formatting largely preserved and ready to build on. Thanks for watching.